Hello and welcome back to the Liberian TV network. The other day we were here doing some updates on this road project. When you notice the last video we did, there were people selling all along the road. At that time the road haven't reached this far. So now, before the inauguration, there was some massive work done, and you can see how the road looks. Then I also have a drainage also there, and they have already placed crush rack. So maybe by next week we'll come to check here, but we're taking you along now for you to go and see how far they have reached, because they were actually working during that week. They were very, very busy. So let's go to see how the road look like. If you notice, the other day when we got here, there were cars leaving from here, like to go to the airport and also Harbor. So now there is no car here. The people are like working back to back because I think they want to complete their job as soon as possible. You see how the road looks like. So we will get on the main road to see how it's like the road now that will lead off from the junction here to take us to the airport. So let's go as you see how far the road have reached. And every week we'll be trying to give you updates on this. You see I'm standing at ELWA Junction itself, and when you look in front of you, that is the road that leads to the airport. That is the road that leads to Rabat International Airport. See there in front of you, the quota had already been laid out to that particular space till you get all the way to Rehab Junction. So I will turn for you to see the back part of the road. Turn this way, they are working, they are doing massive work. So we get on the main road for us to like the car that is coming from the airport. When you start to come to junction, you have to stop right here. You cannot cross because of the amount of work being done on the other side of the road. So the ones that are coming from town, they also stop to ELWA, and then the group that are coming from Red, they stop to AB Toba Road Junction, while there's other groups stop here. This is how the road looks like. I think we saw this place the other day, and it was only at the intersection there were no work being done. But this side, the other day we saw it was already completed. So we could re-inform for you to see. To get to town, you have to use this intersection, the AB Talbot Road side, to take you there, because you cannot get to the junction. There is no passage to the turning point that will be able to take you to town. So for that reason, those who are coming from Roberts Freeway to get to town, they will always use the AB Talbot Road. This is how the place looks like, and that is SKD there. So you can see how the road is here. I feel like it's very perfect. It's something new. The wideness, the cleanness, all of that. But anyway, we are around the King River, and the road is like this till you get to Kenenja Hotel. So that's cool for you to see how it looks like there. Coming and 2 cars. So we are getting up Rehab Junction, which is the President Junction. We are at Rehab Junction. So you see them. So you see the junction right there. So we getting to where, like, I don't know if they have gone further. That's one of the things. I really Everyone keeps saying that they stopped only to Kennedy Junction. Because the last time we reached there, they were at Kennedy Junction. Maybe they have passed because they actually been working lately, especially when the inauguration was closed. Okay, so we are at Kennedy Junction here. Where the main road stop, the one that they have already done with. So you see where we get here. So this is how it looks like. We pray to come every week to be able to give you an update on this project here is done. Baptist Seminary now. The other day when we got here, if you remember, they were still on the drainage that is crossing, but it seems like it's complete now. So it seems like so this was the drainage they were working on the other day. Entrance is R2, so this is R2 we are in, and the road stay continues here, like working. You can see. Small dust. So the truck break down right here, so you see now what will happen here, the road becomes small here, and people are trying to make their way. So we have doors on here. This is how the work is going on here. This side is the finish. This is where the work stops, like from ELWA Junction to Kennedy. There is a paved road straight is already set, and then from Kennedy to yeah, which of course is almost to the chauffeuring barrack. The quota have been removed and they are working there. But now from the chauffeuring barrack going, everything is still intact. The sinkhole road is still there. There is nowhere like work being done. So let's see how far with this reach, like this. So from this distance now, let's see how far the work is reached. At least this place is still like this. We have been partying here and we have done a lot of videos, but so far so good. What I have seen is that the ELWA Junction that was not done, they are working on it. That is one. Yeah. So we stay around this chauffeuring barrack. we have passed Buster and Gorin, the road is still like this. Now we getting off the road and getting to a working area. So you can see how the work happens on here. They were laying the first layer. If you remember from the video, you see that you saw this place, they were laying the first layer. Now the other side is done, only the other side remaining. up around Joe Bloster. Thank you for always following Liberia TV Network, and we're glad you stay with us till we reach this far. So if in case you are coming to Liberia and you'll be driving yourself, be careful of some of the roads or the way the road is laid out, or because they have removed some of the layers, right? So if you don't take time, you might go there. That is one. And we hope and pray that before we reach to the rainy season, this road should be complete by the new government.